It's winter time and you're probably thinking that it's not a good time to plant any kind of thing in your yard, but that would be incorrect. Now, especially in the area where we live, which is the southeast of the United States and really the Gulf South, it's the perfect time to be planting any kind of shrub that you want to really get kick-started for the springtime. I'm standing right here next to this beautiful camellia. It's in bloom right now. It's actually in a pot, in a planter, but if you were to go to the garden center and get a brand new plant from the garden center, feel confident that if you plant it in the ground now, it's going to be perfect for the spring and ready to start blooming in its next go around. So you guys just be confident in your planting. Now's the time to be planting your landscape for the spring anyway, and be confident that you can get your plants in the ground and they're going to thrive for the next season.